Living that life here in Georgetown, Guyana. And the catch is real. You can eat these fish. This is the Demerara River. Demerara Harbor. And it's the weekend, so people are just out here enjoying life, enjoying a cloudy morning in October. Just gone fishing. So there's the lines, the fishing lines. And coolers. And the shrimp that they use for bait. And the chairs they sit on. This is becoming a pastime in Georgetown. There's a time when only a few people would come out here. Now it's becoming quite a popular escape. And some modern equipment, modern fishing lines, fishing poles. The other thing people come out here to do on Sunday morning is to swim. Like I said before, Georgetown is a beach town, so people come out here to swim and enjoy a little bit of the beach life. Take a little walk along the beach. Come here and experience it for yourself. So this is Sunday morning at the Atlantic Ocean here in Georgetown, Guyana. Kids coming out here to play, swim. Right, this is the Marriott Hotel. That's the Marriott and the Pegasus hotels. And this is the artificial beach. Right, artificial white sand beach created by the Marriott. Kids just come out here to play on a Sunday morning. There's girl ships coming in off the Atlantic Ocean. Boys playing in the water. Swim. And that's a jetty way in the distance where they're fishing. Sunday morning at the Atlantic Ocean here in Georgetown, Guyana. It's one of the new destinations. Right now it's Diwali season, so we have Hindus coming out here to do their ritual baths in the ocean. At the same time you have city kids who come out here to enjoy the beach on a Sunday morning. It's become a regular destination for Sunday morning relaxation. Kingston Beach. In Georgetown, Guyana. So people come out here usually on Sundays to play volleyball, cricket, soccer, swim in the ocean, smoke a little weed, or just relax and watch the tide come in. and bring their kids out here to have fun. That's what's up, guys. That's what's happening here in Georgetown, Guyana. Next time you're visiting Guyana, next time you're in the city, take some time out to relax by the ocean, because as you know, Georgetown is a seaside town. It's a beach town, and this is the beach on Sunday morning. Marriott Hotel, Pegasus Hotel and the Marriott Hotel. That's the Pegasus Suite and Corporate Center. You know, Pegasus and the Marriott Hotel in the distance. That's what's up, guys. Want to see more content like this? Click like and subscribe. Share this video with friends and family. In the comments below, tell me what you think about developing the beach here. Still need to clean it up from time to time because, of course, a lot of this garbage comes in off the ocean. But they've been making some progress in beautifying and keeping it clean. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening here in Georgetown, Guyana. Later!